14, and me I'm 16.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God Skelter then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers from your device, you know it's your boy Soji TV Entertainment, you know, me I say, me like this, bumbleclot, sorry for my language viewers and subscribers, but me I tell you say, yo, this me I look for happen long time. No matter no unite man, you know long me I encourage the artists them say, yo, you have to start from something for something, now watch no face, because you know I just be audio, and I drop no video, people them need to see who I sing them song there. Yes man, I mean I say, yeah man, I mean I say, Lyon official music, drop a music video title Mini 14. Mini 14. I mean I say in drop a couple minutes ago, you know, viewers and subscribers. Would I like you guys to run go over Lyon official music Vivo. I make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. Because the artist been a put in the work, you know. You see me, and I first music video this in my job.
Me ram that hard like me have no conscience. Girl do I get to
First and foremost, me have to big up MRT Entertainment TV for the visuals. And me have to big up the whole Vibezilla to give the artist the support and make the artist know say yes man, it possible, you see me. And me I say Lyon Art, continue, have faith in the youths round here, you see me. Yeah man, and make sure say you put in the work man and listen to the youths them, cause them a tell you the right thing at times. You see me, and you a big man, you know when people are tell a fool in the same way, and Vibezilla youths them not telling a fool in the store, me see it, you know, cause one team, you know, and we are gonna make it dream work, you see it. Push, we are gonna push out this now, you see me. I mean I say viewers and subscribers, me want to know guys to go over Lyon Art official music and go watch him video. Listen him song them when him drop. Him have him drop song from 8 months ago. So him have couple song there where you can listen. But this is first video you go see. So I want to know guys to give him the support. You know say he's a Ochi artist. You see me? Yes man. We want to hold it more artists in a Ochi for you out there. Because a whole heap of hidden talent in a center, you know. Not to mention Jamaica overall. But Soji TV Entertainment there. I look for the artists them who me know have a talent, you know. We just want to see a video with them or hear them for the first time, and I hate that, you know. So yes man, I appreciate you guys all. So I want to know guys to remember to like, share, subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment. Leave your honest thoughts, you see me? And please remember if you go via artist Vivo and make him know say Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. Yes man.